Maulan na, tag-ulan na, pero it's a Sunday. Good thing maaraw ngayon. So let's just hope that within the duration ng 16-kilometer run ko, wag munang umulan. Hey guys, it's our week 3, day 1 of Manila Full Marathon training. Last week, week 2 of our training, parang we were able to run twice lang in that week. Pero we were able to run 14 kilometers. This week, this is our third week, first day for our week 3. We will run 16 kilometers. Medyo long run na siya guys. I hope that we're able to make it today. Samahan niyo ako. Tara, warm up na tayo. Let's go! Okay, thanks pala sa ating sponsor. Galing kay Ma'am. Ayan o. Ayan o, siya yung nagregalo nito sa atin. So thank you Ma'am. Tara na, let's go. Tuloy yung warm up. Of course, hindi pwede mawala ang ating push-ups. Hindi pwede mawala ang ating push-ups. 1. Let's hit the oval. Let's go. 2 kilometers. 14 kilometers more to go. 4 kilometers. 12 kilometers more. 6 kilometers. 10 kilometers more. And that's 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers more. So push. Okay, 10 kilometers. 10 minutes and 58 seconds. So let's just have a 1 minute walk before we run again. Let's go. 12 kilometers, 4 kilometers more to go. 1 hour and 12 minutes. 14 kilometers, 2 more to go. 15 kilometers. Pagod na pero push. On my last kilometer, that was so hard. My feet were so painful, parang ayoko na tumakbo, pero of course, we have to push. That's our goal for today, 16 kilometers. Ang sarap ng saging after the run. On our next run, we will have 18 kilometers. Longer. Good job, Solf. Alright, and that's the 16 kilometer run. Don't forget to leave, move, and inspire. Bye.